pack of 5. Workstation sink with integrated ledge allows you to slide custom accessories across the sink to streamline meal prep and cleanup without losing space on the kitchen counter. 5-piece chef's kit includes roll-up dish drying rack perfect for rinsing produce, drying dishes, and protecting countertops from hot items. Bamboo cutting board is non-porous and resists stains. Dish grid, strainer and drain cover. Spacious single bowl. Deep sink with tight radius corners and offset drain creates an uninterrupted workspace for washing your largest cookware, like stock pots and baking sheets. Undermount installation creates a seamless transition from sink to countertop. Smart design adds valuable counter space by allowing you to work right over the sink, perfect for a kitchen of any size. Heavy-duty 16-gauge steel, made with TRU-16, the thickest stainless steel on the market. This workhorse of a sink is highly resistant to corrosion and dents. Rust-resistant finish is easy to clean and will not dull from daily use. Stainless steel bottom grade protects sink surface and keep dishes elevated for optimal draining. Engineered for easy draining with offset drain, gently sloped bottom and channel grooves that avoids water from pooling in the sink. Fully insulated with proprietary noise defense soundproofing, including extra thick pads and protective undercoating that absorb noise and vibration when sink is in use. Dimensions: 32 in LX19 and WX10 in D. Minimum cabinet size: 36 in. Lifetime limited with top-rated customer service that puts you first. Explore the full suite of core sink accessories to maximize the functionality of your core workstation sink. Top reviews from the United States. Great. Arrived on time and with no damage. Installed easily and works and looks great. Not cheap but well worth the money with its accessories. AMD features we use.